Hello guys.
Assalamu-Alaikum.
Welcome back to another new video.
My name is Nabila Rahman and you are watching Techy Splash. In this video I will show you how to add end screen on your YouTube videos, to waste any time, so let's start.
I don't wanna take you home with me. I don't get what you're saying, all of these games you're playing. Can't bother reading your message, no I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking, I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not assistant, just go and be what you are, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all this shit you told me, just regretting that I met you, damn you hold me down. All my fortune's just been wasted, all gone. Oh, you made me feel alone. You thought there's a cure, I went and let you be. Now I know for sure I don't wanna take you home with me. I don't wanna take you home with me.
If you enjoy my video, so like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.